got back from Bowtie Boneyard in Kentucky, picking up this monstrosity.
Also, I got on the bottle.
Yeah, Matthew's on the bottle.
My house down.
Yep, Matthew's on the bottle. But anyways, a lot of you are probably wondering why we have this in the bed of Cole's truck. Well, long story short, my grandmother and I, she kind of half gifted me a 55 Cadillac. So, hey, we've got a heart transplant and a drivetrain for it. We've got a 6.0 and a 4L80 here. And we are headed south to drop it off where the car's at, where the guy is going to be doing the LS swap. So, yeah, here we go. We got everything that we need. Matthew's drinking energy drinks, getting ready to kick the windshield out of Cole's truck. So
I'm glad we got butt connectors and the main wiring harness. That'll be good.
yeah, oh yeah.
Well, we're gonna see what boys got, and I'm gonna start cutting these wires, see if we can find out where they go.
Will you swap this one for my 6.2? I say we swap
Yeah,
out of this truck.
yeah, we can do that.
Why
It's no
did a
big deal.
4L6?
We'll do it whenever we get there.
Why did a 4L6?
I hate Crystal ain't open. That's what sucks.
We'll sit here till it is.
Here it is. Old Faithful. Motor's out. Brakes are getting done. Golly, the trunk of this thing. Absolutely unreal. So this thing had been sitting in a barn on my grandparents' place underneath a sheet for probably 25, 30 years. This is a 55 model Cadillac here.
The trunk is giant.
Oh, I know. I mean, you could literally...
Like 7 or 8 of me back here.
Yep. And then, I can't remember which tail light it is. The gas cap's under one of these. Yep, this one.
That's interesting.
Yep. Gas cap's under there.
This thing's gonna be so fun to tent.
Yeah, right. It's the original tag on it from when it was parked. Oh, I know. Look at...
Drive shaft's gonna be a mile long.
Oh, yeah. No, I mean, look at the... Yeah.
You got you one.
Here she is in all her glory. What do you think, Cole Payne?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be ready. I think it'd be a pretty cool little hot rod.
Yeah.
It'd be something fun to cruise.
Oh, this at Rod Run will be killer. Oh,
Cool
yeah.
with the history behind it.
Oh, the bread truck?
Look in the inside. It's got like a kitchen and all kinds of...
I think... Blake, is this the one that's LS swapped? This is the one that you were saying was dangerous as hell?
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is... Oh, wow. It's got a kitchen. Oh, wow. Look. Why would you...
can't even press the gas?
Why would you do that?
Back to California, I'm good.
I don't blame you.
Sent that one big old milk truck.
Golly.
Florida this week.
Another project going on here. Yes, sir. Wow. What an animal. So who's going first?
It's back.
Nanny.
Nanny. Bungee jumping.
I just want to stay in front of them until
Hold on.
after a while we'll let them go by.
That ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere.
Right lane. You're going to set fire to it.
Yeah. About to get some heat. What are you shooting with there?
Oh yeah, big old Sony.
Sony. What kind of rig's that?
It's A7S3.
Yeah? God, you sure you ever run that thing before?
Oh yeah.
God! So I guess what we're about to do is we're out here in Mexico. They've got the bean fields for the taco wagons and stuff filled up right. We're getting ready to do some rolling burnouts out here in the country. Ain't that right, son?
You know, Mexico.
In Dawson, he's strapped in, baby. That ain't going nowhere.
No, safe as can be.
Safer than anything you can imagine. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Cole's just always the video driver. Sucks that we ain't got Sage here with us, but I think we got the next best thing with us. There's no nanny.
So what lanes he want us in?
Pull up here and I'll ask him.
Well, I guess he probably wants the exhaust on our side, doesn't he?
I don't know. Hey! What lane you want? Okay. Right lane. $1,000. Winner take all. Should I go out the sunroof?
You probably can't. I don't know. Car.
You just need to watch behind you so he doesn't run over top.
Here we go. Strapped in.
Smokey the Bandit.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, that was heat right there, buddy. That was heat. Look at all that. Yes, sir. That's torque, baby. I lost my hat and let my 5-head show here. We're going to have to go back and get my hat, but Nanny just laid a heater. That's always a good sign. Uh-huh. Oh, I'm glad he's underneath it with a tool set. Yeah? That get it?
It's the man himself right there. Just got it in. We don't know what to do. All this torque. God. Wins races. Just happy. Look at her. Just happy.
What's it look like on the camera?
Oh, dude.
Is it incredible?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah,
That was perfect. Hey, man. It's not a good sign you getting ready to do a burnout and you got the Milwaukee toolkit out. Yeah? Yeah, what are you doing?
Fixing the exhaust, man.
Oh, okay. Word.
I can't afford a Corsa.
Oh, that sucks. I would just work harder then. I would just work harder then.
I agree.
Man, the driving nanny. This man's an ant. He's the GOAT, greatest of all time. Oh, yeah. You gonna try it, Nanny? You gonna try it, Nanny? Huh? You
Yeah.
gonna try it?
Yeah, we might try it. I'd set fire to it right about there and just kind of slowly walk around.
Yeah, because once it lit, I mean, it just went to full. I
So
mean,
we did, yeah.
Dawson over here with a stiffy. It looks good.
That's not black.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's not. Yep.
And here we go, round 2, baby. Loaded up, strapped in like he's bungee jumping, son. Look at him, just happy. Ooh, I got my black Dodge. Oh, puppy Dodge. Oh, puppy Dodge.
Take number 2, the black and gold one. Wow, he's an animal. Yeah, that'll get it. Yeah, that's gonna get it. Oh my God, that's insane. That was a good one.
He wasn't gonna let out till he saw the checkered flags or God, son. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Yep, and now for the 35-minute, oh God, that ditch is deep too. Oh God. Border Patrol, get that poor boy. Look at these lines. Yeah, it was. He couldn't have swung that any better. Look at these lines. This is like beautiful. Like there's Nanny's. Nanny did a good job.
Now I will say, Nanny really hasn't even got to swing.
Yeah, and 100% agree. But here comes Cole. Golly, man, you talk about drifting the edge.
That was a heater.
Yeah, it was.
That was a heater.
That was a heater, indeed a heater.
That was perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, those tires are a little tacky.
They're tacky.
Truck got a little hot. Yeah, you held a really long burnout.
God, man, the shifter. You just in here shifting?
Look at him already. Yeah, that'll get it.
Sounded so healthy when you passed.
Did it?
Oh, yeah. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, he's just cooking.
Look at it, patting it. Oh my God. I was on limiter and I didn't want to get overdrive. Yeah, I was like, man, we're out. That's it.
You getting overdrive?
Oh, yeah, no, he's going to get on me about that one.
Yeah.
What's transgender?
Hot, all of it?
He's under 180, Logan built, baby.
Wow, he's an animal. That shifter don't scare me, boy!
Yeah, that got it.
God,
that got it, buddy.
Incredible.
Get in, Nanny. Come on up, Nanny. Coming in on him. Golly, at the smoke. That will probably get it.
Yeah, you might want to bait the premises.
Yeah, I think we done killed all the skeeters. It's fine.
Keeping them off the farmer's plant.
It's fine.
Doing them a favor.
It's fine.
I wonder if I still got lost crank signal.
It spun it that fast? Oh,
I mean, I was
shit.
at like $5,000.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
God, that rings the ears.
You couldn't have slung yours any more perfect. I mean, that was beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah, no, yours, Paxton's looked really good, but yours is going to be like, this will make up for Paxton's. Yeah. Yours is going to be beautiful. The Super Nanny!
Yeah.
Yeah, heard it? No.
You might have lost your nanny title. I think
Yeah.
Will gets it now.
Will who?
We got some heat.
We got some heat. You gonna show everybody a little preview? No previews.
They gotta wait.
Dang.
They gotta wait.
You're gonna have to send me those so I can insert them.
Negative.
What? What?
You get what Matthew got. You get mine.
Whatever.
Matthew did cook. I saw his video. He was cooking over.
Did you cook, Matthew?
Of course he did.
Nasty racing.
Yeah, you know this cat? You know,
No.
what's his name? John something?
Yeah.
Like John Doc? I don't know.
I think it's Jerry.
John Vincepos, something like that.
Yeah, it's a nobody.
John
Something that's slick.
John Water Garage.
John Boat Ramp. I don't know.
Yeah, something like that. Black Lives Matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.